Guys, get the real business. Thank you for the likes. There you go for your subscribe. I'll show this wash. Now it's about to get today. Jesus. Jesus, no. Jesus, I give you. Okay, one. This is lá. Mas cooking now, cutting back in quail. Okay, no quail. That's why it's fine cleaning. Clean every corner. Like the devil that is making me to clean. Very cleaning. Babe? You got up? I'm fine. Not in here, that's what's up. I'm gonna see if I can wind around wash it. I saw it. That was you. The blood of Jesus. First, as I'm cleaning, right? I put some touch right here. Still face my head. Now I'm ready. Okay, got it. For the blood of Jesus. Oh, thank you for the likes, guys. So I'm gonna clean this last. That's baby bottles. Bonsoir tout le monde. Bonjour. No, bonsoir. And guys, I'm doing Haitian Creole for my non-English speaker, Gato for my two, so they can understand me. Ok, vamos começar a ver isso aí. Quando eu não digo que você vai ver isso aí, vamos na laverie, ça pour du bon. Mettre la cognée. Get the little cloth away, my bleach water to get rid of the germ. Don't worry, I'm gonna rinse it really well. The punch vessel. See, 2 sponges. One for the dish, one for the counter. The old one, the one that look more older, is for the counter. So we're gonna use this to remove excess grease. Make sure you wash your washcloth first. I think I did this already. I broke the cup.